In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to Facebook ads. By the end, your Facebook and Instagram lead forms will sync straight into your CRM, and you'll have a simple workflow that automatically texts new leads. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and open your main dashboard. From there, head to Settings, then open Integrations. In the Facebook section, click Connect. A Facebook window will pop up asking for permissions. Approve those so GoHighLevel can receive leads from your pages and forms. This connection can take a minute, so be patient. If you don't see the prompt, make sure pop-ups are allowed and that you're logged into the correct Facebook profile with admin access to the page you want to use. Once connected, select the Facebook page you want to sync. If your Instagram is linked to that page, Instagram lead forms will sync through the same connection. Click Connect and continue. Next, configure field mapping so incoming data lands in the right places. Click Configure field mapping, then review how fields like name, email, and phone align with your GoHighLevel contact fields. If you have custom questions on your form, map those to existing custom fields or click Edit Fields to adjust what you need. When everything looks right, click Confirm, then Save to lock in your changes. Now go back to the dashboard and open Automation. Create a new workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Give it a clear name so your team knows exactly what it does, then add a new trigger. Select Facebook lead form submitted. This trigger fires every time someone completes a connected Facebook or Instagram lead form, instantly pushing that contact into your workflow. Set the filter to your selected page, and for the form filter, choose any so all current and future forms on that page are captured. Click Save Trigger. Add your first action by clicking the plus icon and choose Send SMS. Type the text you want to send to new leads. Keep it friendly and concise, and include a clear next step, like confirming their interest or offering a quick scheduling link. Personalizing with the lead's first name can improve response rates. When you're happy with the message, click Save Action. Finally, click Publish to activate the workflow and then save. Your integration is now complete. New Facebook and Instagram leads will flow into GoHighLevel, and they'll receive your automated text right away, helping you respond faster and convert more prospects. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.